Hi children, let us discuss the next problems on introduction to trigonometry, that is standard angles ratios. On the basis of that one, before going to solve these problems, if you are not subscribed my channel, subscribe to my channel, then you will get the next videos notification. Children, here let us discuss the problems based on standard angles trigonometric ratios. Here the first problem is a tan square 60 degree plus 2 tan square 45 degree. Here to solve this one, let us solve. Here we must know what is the tan 60s. Before going to solve this one, we must know tan 60 is equals to what? Tan 60 is equals to root 3 children's. Tan 60 is equals to root 3 and tan 45 is equals to 1. Tan 45 is equals to 1. We need to find the value of this one. So this implies tan square 60 plus 2 tan square 45 degree. So tan square 60 means root 3 square plus 2 tan square 45 is 2 into 1 square. So this is equals to root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 into 1 square is 1. So this is equals to 3 plus 2, this is equals to 5 children. So the value of tan square 60 plus 2 tan square 45 is 5. In the same way, let us find the solution for the second one. Here to find the solution for the second problem, here we must know what is cosec 60. Cosec 60 is equals to 2 by root 3 children's. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is root 2. Sec 45 is root 2. Cot, next one is cot 30. Cot 30 is what? Root 3. Cot 30 is what? Root 3. Let us substitute all these values in this equation and we will find the value of this one. So the given equation is cosec 60 minus sec 45 plus cot 30 degree. So this is equals to cosec 60. Cosec 60 is what? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 minus sec 45. Sec 45 is what? Root 2. Next plus cot 30. Cot 30 is what? Root 3. So let us take the LCM 1 here. So this is equals to, take the LCM of all these. LCM is root 3. So here it is root 3 1 za, 1 root 3 za. Here it is 1 root 3 za. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus root 2 into root 3 is root 6 plus here root 3 into root 3 is 3. So simplify this one children, then we will get 2 plus 3 5 minus root 6 divided by root 3. This is the value of cosec 60 minus sec 45 plus cot 30. Let us find here the next problem, third problem, solution for the third one. Here cos 0 into sin pi by 2 into cos square pi by 6 into sec pi by 4. Here pi means children's, pi means 180 degree. Pi means what? 180 degree. So we have to find the values of this one. That is cos 0 is 1. We know it. Cos 0 is 1 into sin pi by 2. Or we can write this one, cos 0. Sin pi by 2 means 180 by 2. Sin 90 into cos square pi by 6. 180 by 6 is 30 degree. So it is cos square 30 and sec pi by 4. Pi by 4 means here 180 divided by 4 children. So 180 divided by 4 is what? 4 1 za 4, 4 za 16, 45 degree. So it is a sec 45 degree. Sec 45 degree. So this is equals to find the value of this one, cos 0 is what? 1. 1 into sin 90 is also what? Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. Cos square 30. Cos square 30 is cos square 30 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square into sec 45 is what? Root 2. Sec 45 is what? Root 2. So this is equals to 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into here root 3 whole square is root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4 into root 2. Simplify this one, children, then we will get 3 root 2 divided by 4. 3 root 2 divided by 4. This is the solution value of the last equation. So in this way we can solve the problems based on trigonometric ratios of standard angles, children. Okay, children, here the next problem is cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Let us solve this one, find the value of this one. So this is equals to, here cos 45 degree, we know that cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sec 30 degree, sec 30 degree is what here? Sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is what? 2. Cosec 30 degree is 2. Let us simplify this one, children. If we simplify this one, this is equals to, that is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole divided by, here LCM is, you can take the LCM of these two, that is root 3 is the LCM. Here it is root 3 1s are, here it is 1 root 3s are. So 2 1s are 2 plus 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Here this is equals to 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. Simplify this one, children, then you will get the value of this one, that is root 3 whole divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. This is the value of cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. In the same way, let us find the value of this one. So this is equals to, here next problem is 4 sin square 60 degree minus cos square 45 degree divided by tan square 30 degree plus sin square 0 degree. Here let us find the value of this one, children. 4 into sin square 60 degrees. 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is a square whole square minus cos square 45 degree. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Here it is square, so it is 1 by root 2 whole square whole divided by tan 30 degree. Tan square 30 degree is what? Tan square 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square plus sin square 0. Sin 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 1. Sin square 0 is 1 square. So this is equals to 4 into root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4 minus 1 square is 1. Root 2 square is 2 whole divided by 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3 plus 1 square is 1. So this is equals to, here 4 get cancelled, children. Here it is 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 by 2 whole divided by, here it is 1 LCM is 3, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 4 divided by 3. So this is equals to 5 by 2 into 3 by 4, 3 by 4. So this is equals to 5 3s are 15 divided by 4 2s are 8, children. So this is the value of 4 sin square 60 degree minus cos square 45 degree divided by tan square 30 degree plus sin square 0 degree. So let us find the next problem here. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus 4 tan square 30 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree, cot 45 degree. So sin 30 degree, we know it is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is what? 1 minus 4 tan square 30, tan square 30, tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square, 1 by root 3 whole square, tan 30 is 1 by whole square, whole divided by sec 30 degree, sec 30 degree is what? 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree is what? 1 by 2, cos 60 degree is what? 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is what? 1, cot 45 is 1. So simplify this one, children. This is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 4 into 1 by 3, 4 into 1 by 3 whole divided by here. Take the LCM here, LCM is root 3, 2 root 3, LCM is 2 root 3, or you can keep this one as it is a 2 root 3, here it is 1, 2 root 3 is the LCM, here it is 2 root 3 2 za into 2 plus here it is root 3 za, so 1 into root 3 is root 3, here it is 2 root 3 za. So simplify this one again, children. This is equals to here 1 by 2 plus 1 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 whole divided by here it is 4, 2 square is 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Simplify this one again. So this is equals to here it is LCM is 1, take the LCM of 3 and 2, it is 6. So 6 2 3 za 1 6 za 3 1 za 1 3 za 3 minus 1 6 za plus 1 6 za 6 4 1 za 4 minus 4 whole divided by here it is 4 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 whole divided by 2 root 3. So simplify this one again. This is equals to 9 minus 4 5 by 6, 5 by 6 into this one is 2 root 3 whole divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. So simplify this one. This is equals to 10 root 3, or you can simplify 2 1s are 2 3s are, so it is 5 root 3 divided by 5 root 3 into this one is 3 into 4 is 12 plus 3 3s are 9 root 3. This is the value of last problem, children. In this way we can find the solution for the given problems by using the standard angles ratios.